participate in is invariably a sort of program offering a filtered reality for which we are invited to experience our emotional ebbs and flows, our joys, or our sufferings through. Our unprocessed sufferings create trauma. Trauma, in the psychological sense of the word, arises when we are unable to fully experience a painful event. Traumas big and small get stored away in our AOS and stay dormant until something in life reminds us of them. Then they get reactive, unconsciously influencing our behavior, impacting our intimacy, corrupting our ambition, and creating an unnatural separation inside of our own bodies. Our unprocessed sufferings can be recognized as our own versions of separation sickness. Separation sickness can be thought of as a very sophisticated malware virus that we tend to upload to our AOS unconsciously. Malware is malicious software. When such a virus is loaded into an operating system, it can cause damage and make unauthorized changes while spreading itself throughout the processing system, corrupting data along its way. Separation sickness functions as a virus in that it describes our traumas, our pains, and the unique sufferings that we accumulate as we exist here. As we develop, we start to identify with the separations that we once adopted out of lack of awareness. We've all suffered, and our pains have the capacity to make changes to how we feel and how we respond. Because this malware virus, our separation sickness, typically operates on a subconscious level, we may be unaware of it while still experiencing its effects. When we do not know that we have a virus operating, all the programs we have downloaded and the new experiences we seek to join become vulnerable to our version of separation sickness, thereby keeping us divided. Separation sickness then infects most of our apps. Our virus manipulates the main purpose of our joining, resulting in experiences of pain in the various programs that were intended to bring us joy. There is no better time than now to take ownership of our filtered views by updating our mindsets, thereby removing our malignant code. At Urban Spiritualist, we aim to empower you to actively participate in the shaping of your life and the world around you. A shift towards unity consciousness, towards fundamental well-being, is available here and now. Join us.